Okay, from here, now that I'm relatively happy with the image, I'm just going to select the brush which I've got created the signature with, or the watermark. I usually set that to about 70%. I make it white, and I'll just pop it down on the center correction. What I actually do is I make a layer first, and then I put it down on the bottom once I sort myself out. There we go. Okay, remember, if you make an error, Control Z. If you make multiple errors, Control Alt Z until you get rid of those multiple errors. Okay, now that I've got that on there, I need to save it. So first up, I'll just go Save As. Now usually within the original files folder, I'll create a new one and call it Processed, so I know where to find them later on. Open that one up, and then I just use the date format, and then the location. So where were we again? Cape Schanck, and then Milky Way 001, because it's the first one, and as a Photoshop file. So I'll save that, and then I'll save it in that folder. Now that's saved all of these layers and everything we've done there. Obviously we want to put it onto social media. So what we want to do is we go Control Alt and Shift with S, and what that does is brings up this window for Save for Web. So it optimizes your saving of that image so that you can import it or upload it onto Facebook, Instagram, whatever the case is. So currently it's just processing it so that it'll be optimized to upload onto Facebook. So while it's doing that, I'll just pause. Okay, now that it's finished processing that, I haven't named this preset, but it's going to be saved as a Jpeg, a maximum quality. It's going to be optimized. The preview I'm going to have on monitor color, and I'm going to convert it to sRGB for use on the web. I'm going to have the bicubic sharpener as the quality, and what we want to do is we want to adjust the image size, whatever the longer edge is. So for in this instance, because it's a portrait orientation, the longer edge is the height. So I'm going to change that value to 2048, and you'll see it automatically adjusted the other value. And the long edge on an image, they've found that using that 2048 is the best size for uploading onto Facebook, etc. So I'll adjust that, and then I'll reprocess. And now you'll see that it's within the preview window, because it's sitting at 100%, it's actually adjusted and got smaller as a result of that. Next up, what we want to do is we want to hit save. I've got a specific folder for the JPEG outputs that I just called Save Pictures, and it'll keep the same file name as the other one. And now we've got a version which has been saved for the web. So if I go to that location, oh, it's on the other screen, I'll drag that up. And then under my Save Pictures, new file there, we can see we've got a JPEG, which is the final product. And from here I can just upload it onto whatever I want, and the file size is only 2.33 meg, so it's nice and light. I know, so hopefully that will get you to be able to edit the sky, edit your foreground, and then save it and be able to upload it onto the internet. what I'll do is I'll see how each of you go with having watched these videos, and then if you've got any questions, just send them to me in the message, and I'll try and help you out. Cheers.